Can't decide between these two? We're here to help you choose the perfect fit. Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In today's video, we're comparing the Sony MDR-ZX110 and JBL Tune 500 headphones to see which one is the better overall choice. We'll go through important factors like sound quality, comfort, build quality, bass performance, and features to help you decide which pair suits you best. Let's get started. Comparative analysis. The Sony MDR-ZX110 features a lightweight, compact on-ear design with a basic plastic build and swivel ear cups for simple portability. In contrast, the JBL Tune 500 offers a more refined on-ear design with soft cushioned ear pads, a foldable structure, and a slightly more durable finish for everyday use. The Sony MDR-ZX110 delivers a balanced sound profile with clear mids and decent highs using 30mm drivers, making it suitable for general casual listening. Meanwhile, the JBL Tune 500 provides a more bass-heavy sound signature with 32mm JBL Pure Bass drivers, offering a punchier and more modern listening experience. The Sony MDR-ZX110 is extremely lightweight, which makes it comfortable for short sessions, but slightly tight during long use. On the other hand, the JBL Tune 500 uses softer ear cushions and a more ergonomic headband, making it more comfortable for longer listening periods. Both the Sony MDR-ZX110 and JBL Tune 500 are wired headphones, meaning they do not require charging. They both use a standard 3.5mm audio jack, offering plug-and-play compatibility with most devices. However, the JBL Tune 500 includes an inline microphone and remote control, while the Sony MDR-ZX110 does not include an inline microphone and remote control. The Sony MDR-ZX110 is very basic with no microphone or control buttons, focusing purely on audio output. The JBL Tune 500, however, includes an inline mic and remote control, making it more practical for calls and smartphone use. The Sony MDR-ZX110 was launched around 2014 and is priced in the ultra-budget range, approximately $10 to $20, making it one of Sony's most affordable headphones. The JBL Tune 500 was launched in 2018 and is priced in the budget range, approximately $20 to $40, offering more features and a more modern design at a slightly higher price. The Sony MDR-ZX110 is best for users who want a simple, ultra-light, and very affordable headphone for basic casual listening. The JBL Tune 500 is better suited for users who want stronger bass, better comfort, and added calling features for everyday smartphone use. Technical specifications. Like, share, and subscribe. Gadgeto Lab has plenty more smart tech comparisons and reviews coming your way, so don't miss what's next.